guys, it's Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an account and start listening to music on Spotify. Spotify is an incredible digital music streaming service that offers access to more than 50 million songs and podcasts and really allows you to create your ideal listening experience. You'll have a whole world of music at your fingertips. Let's get started.
First thing you'll need to do is download the application by going to the App Store on your phone or tablet. Then type in Spotify. If you're doing it on your computer, go to Spotify.com. Next, you'll need to create your account. You'll see this sign-up page, which gives you the option to sign up with your email address or with your Facebook account. Spotify offers a free plan and a paid plan. The paid plan will cost you $9.99 a month. They also have plans for couples and families. As you might expect, there are some limitations with the free plan. The three main ones are you'll have to hear advertisements frequently, you'll not be able to listen offline, and you won't be able to access the highest quality streaming sound. I have the premium plan, and it's well worth the investment. Once you've signed up and signed in, you'll see this screen with a bunch of browsing options that you can click on to discover music across different genres, as well as podcasts. At the top, you'll see the search bar. All you have to do is type in a song, album, or artist, and you can start building your playlists. It's super easy to create a playlist on Spotify or add a new song to a playlist you've already created. Simply click on the three dots to the right of the selection. Then click Add to Playlist. You'll also see an option to add to queue. The queue is just a list of what songs will play after the one you're currently listening to, so you can set the order of songs you want to play without it affecting your playlists. Next, you'll name your playlist, which you can always go back and change. If you want to listen to music offline, for example, if you're on a flight, you can download songs and playlists by clicking on the downward arrow icon and then on the songs you want to download. At the bottom right, you'll see your library, which contains everything you've saved or liked on Spotify. To like something, you click on the little heart icon at the top left, and it will then appear in your library. But keep in mind that you still need to download all of the content you want to access offline. Last thing I'll cover is the shuffle feature, represented by the crisscrossing arrows. This can be a bit confusing, or at least it was for me when I started using Spotify. If shuffle is turned on, the arrows will appear green and your songs will play in random order. To play them in sequence, just click on the arrows to turn off shuffle.
And that's the brief and basic on Spotify. You're now ready to start listening to your favorite music and discover more. If you found value in this video, please do me a favor and ring the bell and subscribe to my channel so we can provide you with more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.